Ngayon, gagawin natin ay gamitin natin yung, try natin yung highlighter. Maka-highlighter.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Silhouette Kohl from Italy. Chanel STYLO Ombre Contour Eyeshadow Liner. Chanel.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow.
Gamit sa aking kilay itong LANCOME kilay is life. Bakit hinuhuli ko yung kilay? Kasi mahirap siyang gawin eh.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
natin dito. Okay, sa kabila, I'll be right back. So, ayan. Tapos ng aking left and right look, makeup. Ito na ngayon. Gagamitin ko ng aking finish touch spray.
I really wanted like the princess.
Hi, Renren! Itong NYX. Ayan. Magni-lipstick muna tayo. So, gagamitin ko tong MAC. Shade niya ay satin pink. At saka ang aking color lip liner from RIMMEL. Ayan.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left.
Natapos naman po ang aking makeup tutorial. Kaya next time ulit, please like, share, and subscribe. Bye!